My name is Ramesh Pillai, and I'm the Group Managing Director of Friday Concepts and Triage GRC. This workshop will equip you with cutting-edge frameworks, real-world case studies, and interactive exercises to not only grasp the critical role of KRIs, but also to integrate them seamlessly into your organization's risk management ecosystem. At the end of the day, you'll walk away with actionable insights on how to define, select, and leverage KRIs to make smarter, data-driven decisions, detect emerging risks before they escalate, and drive better business outcomes. You gain the tools to transform risk management from reactive processes to proactive strategic advantage, boosting your organization's resilience and fostering a culture of risk awareness at every single level. I will be leading a masterclass workshop on harnessing key risk indicators or KRIs, unlocking the power of proactive risk management. All of this will be happening at the IRP 2025 Global Conference Post-Conference Workshop on 8th August. I look forward to seeing you all there. And don't forget to book now to guarantee your seat.